are headed to the Genuine Cigar Lounge Bar Car Meet Deal. There's definitely an easier title for that, but we do not have the S5 today. We are pulling up in the Ford Escape. Not going to be parking with the other cars. Probably going to find somewhere close, walk over, see what happens. But ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new, hit subscribe, like. Aggressive intro. Without further ado, let's head there. Got the mount for the Insta360 camera or something like that. Nobody really shows up to these things till 8, I guess, anyways. A little cammed Chevrolet. A lot of regular looking traffic over here, but hey, we'll take a look around. Looks like there may be some cool stuff. I think we might try to go inside and find a little place to sit for a second. Little Britney Spears going on in the background, but you know, we found a good spot. This RS6 is the sickest car here. Bronze wheels on the black. Woo! We got more people joining us now. It's getting a little busier. Oh, 570S. Nice. Carson decided to show up in the C63. Let's go. This thing is so sick. This is my favorite car here. Absolute favorite car here. Woo. GTR. Ooh. HREs on the S4. I like how that looks a lot. Alpine White M4 stack. So like last time, there's like, I don't know, 400 or 500 people here. Some pretty cool cars. GTR, that RS6 is probably my favorite car here. 570S, just some fun stuff here and there, but I think we're gonna leave. But yeah, it's just about that time. Probably gonna dip out. Uh-oh. What happened? Can't really see. Looks like something. We even got quite the sunset. Not too bad. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, we saw about enough. I don't even know what time it is. Nothing else is gonna happen, so we'll see you. Thank you very much. Friday, we are going to Woodward to see more shenanigans. We'll see you Friday. Found ourselves at the Dream Cruise, ladies and gents. It is Thursday and it's already popping. Apparently it's been like this all week, but we're hoping to find a little spot at Dugan's. Fingers crossed. It looks packed, but should be a good night to view some cars. So we'll show you what we see. There's a whole tank.
I think that's like the Humvee replacement.
What?
Tenders and seasoned fries. Can I do that with barbecue and buffalo sauce, please? Thank you.
It's the man himself, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh, 1977 this is late. Oh, that's great. Well, ladies and gents, we have seen about 60 C8 Corvettes. That is not an exaggeration. So we are looking to find a little home base, but just finding a cool spot right next to the road where we can chill out and watch some cars. We are now in the trenches trying to find some fun stuff. Here we go. Pontiac Solstice gang. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Literally, look. There's 8 Pontiac Solstices. Is it Pontiac Solstice at that point? I'm not quite sure the plural.
Oh, it's not a full brand.
Flex.
Sex. It's out of Forgiatos.
No way. Oh my goodness gracious. .58 720S. Ooh. And a GT right behind it. Oh my goodness. I thought that was the reflection. That's hilarious. Nice. Things upside down.
He's like towards the.
We even got Lightning McQueen out here. Piston Cup, baby. Calvo ACR. Woo! Look at that. That's gorgeous. Day number 3. but we have meandered on down and it's Friday. So I am going to count how many C8 Corvettes I see today. Starting at, what time is it, like 4? Starting early, so I bet it's gonna be like 65 if I remember to keep count all day, which I don't know. Let's see if I do. But bets are in, over under at 65. My man got the Forza plate. Let's go. Oh, that's a Z06. That's a Z06 though.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at the exhaust. All right, so we're at 8 C8s, but 1 Z06, so that's pretty cool.
Oh, it's got a sand. Yeah, that.
Wow.
Ooh, wow. I saw one this morning, but it didn't have the interior like that.
Ooh, I want to look at that. Whoa, I like that wheel a lot.
Oh yeah.
That's super
And
cool.
the bolted on like carbon piece, that's super cool. The center console.
Oh yeah. Wow. Well, we took about an hour off of counting C8 Corvettes, but we did find some cold beer and a cool parking lot area with some live music. So here we are. We're just gonna watch cars. We also got this sweet like viewing spot, so we got a good place on Woodward. We're just gonna chill out here for a bit. We are up to 10 C8 Corvettes, but something really cool we saw. Ooh, he's giving a little rev too. Nice, man. NC20 Maserati. I don't know if you can see it over there, but that's the first one I've seen in person, and they are pretty cool. And with that, we are at 20 C8 Corvettes. So pretty good turnout for C8s today. We've been counting since 4 o'clock, and I believe it's about 5:30. So pretty decent number so far. Somebody's flexing with their X door up, dude. No. 720, yes. Damn. All right. McDonald's spec with the yellow calipers. Interesting. This is 28, ladies and gents. 28 C8 Corvettes. Just keeping the counter going. I'm at the point where I'm not even recording Ferraris. Like, oh, 14 right here? No, that's number 29. C8 bet, baby. Oh my goodness gracious. Woo! I need a ride in this, bro. 100%.
That's cool. What is Thailand on the back?
No way. What's up, Cruz?
They don't make those.
Ladies and gentlemen, number
They don't
40.
make those, stupid.
Oh my goodness. Well, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is number 65. So we are officially over. Actually, we're over with this one right here. That is number 66. We'll keep you updated with the final tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slingshots and a C8 for the cherry on top, ladies and gentlemen. What?
Yeah.
No way.
That green is insane. Man,
What
that thing
Ferrari?
is.
I'm looking at that Buick, baby. Update for the folks at home. The C8 count is at 76. So we are already over, and it is probably 8 p.m. Sunset is looking like it's gonna be soon. Ladies and gents, that right there will be number 86. And that will do it for this evening. We were way over. 21 over my original estimate for C8 Corvettes for the evening. Another night on Woodward, baby. If you guys are new to the channel, hit subscribe. If you guys want to help out the algorithm, hit like. Till next time, we'll probably do another Woodward video. I think tomorrow's gonna be full of shenanigans, full of like enough content for a whole video because we're starting at like 9 a.m. So stay tuned for that. We'll catch you in the next one.